Hello, welcome to my vlog 21 September 2023. The weather is amazingly hot. I'm absolutely loving it. Do find heat might just bring a downside. I've got sunburnt already, but I've had an amazing time the last few days. I've climbed up small mountains in Orori as well as going swimming in the sea, and I'm going to meet my niece today. As a whole, just having an absolutely amazing opportunity to recharge, and it's like being in the Mediterranean or in California, so it really feels like quite a holiday. The last few months have been emotionally draining, but holidays like this are really brilliant opportunity to recharge and actually look forward to the future, because most of the time, recently at least, I've been feeling fairly fearful about what the months ahead hold. I still don't know, but I shall find out fairly soon, I think. I'll continue in another location. Over there is a river at Snowdon, the highest peak in England and Wales, and Moel, which is to the left. The mountains you can see here are Foryd, the Menai Ridge, and then Cilgwyn to the right, and then a television mast called Nebo Tower, and then we come to Goch and Guernsey and Arrival. Now here I am on the coast on Foryd Bay, and it's absolutely roasting, and it's nice to actually be by the coast because there's something of a sea breeze. Menai Beach, so I'm going to go for a swim. So it feels quite humid and close. Like the temperature is humid and close right now. My slender back off this peak. Thunder. I just used to be really scared of lightning. Maybe there was good reason. Just getting off the top. And we're on the trip point now. By the trip point. Best holiday of the year, and it can't be beaten. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.